Hey guys, welcome back. Do we like the look? This is my one and done eye look that's on trend for 2025. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep watching. Okay, I'm back. I've got my brows carved out, my concealer base down, and for today's on trend one and done shadow, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Finest Fleck glitter eyeshadow, and I'm not sure which one came out. I think this is a dupe for that Patrick Ta duo, which I was interested in. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely was, but I saw so many reviews of people saying two shadows for $42 are definitely not worth it. And yes, you did just see me take this out the package, but I did not just buy this. I bought it. I actually bought two colors. I have to look for the other one. It's around here somewhere. It's the lighter one, more of a pinky tone. So this one is called Filthy Rich, and this is how it looks. It looks pretty. It looks pretty. As you can see, never touched it, never swatched it. Let's give it a... that's nice. I see different colors in it, and I'm gonna apply it straight from my finger. So this should be fun. Let me just smooth out my concealer base here before I go in. What's this magic brush? I'm just patting it on. So these are meant to be, I believe, like toppers, but look at that, that's all just from the swatch. It's nice. It's very soft, very subtle, but there. And that was just from that one swatch that I did. So let me use an actual brush now. I'm going to use my large eyeshadow brush, Sonia Kashuk. And back to this trend thing. So the only trend I'm interested in following is Project Pan 2025, which if you haven't seen that one or heard, that's just, you know, a bunch of other content creators slash influencers who are on a mission, the same mission I'm on, which is just to use the products that we have and stop spending so much. I mean, I don't really have a problem spending the money. It's just, unless it's something really new and innovative, I have every color eyeshadow available humanly possible, probably 10 times over. I'm gonna use a blending brush to get that crease out, but I'm not gonna use any more. Every color you could possibly think of, I own already. And honestly, a lot of us with big makeup collections, we get sucked in by the packaging. And you know, I don't want to speak for everybody. I'll speak for myself. I get sucked in by the packaging, and then next thing you know, I bought another eyeshadow palette or something that set me back a few bucks with colors that I already have. It doesn't make sense. And I know that, and I'm working on it. I'm still gonna buy stuff, but just like I said in every other video, not as much, not as often. Those are my two things that I'm sticking with. So I'm gonna go on and put on the rest of my face, and I think today I'm going to use my Super Stay 24-hour skin tint, and I'm gonna go over it with my Vanessa Myricks, and I'm gonna buff, and, like, you know, beat my face to the gods. So after I do that, I'll be right back to finish up with the rest of the products and get these eyes right. But how do we like it so far? I think it's really nice. And this particular shadow, it has like flecks of different colors. So I kind of saw like some green in there. I see some gold, a little pink. So it's a one and done, but there's dimension in there. There's dimension. I like it. I'll be right back. So most days I like to do the least, and some days I like to do the most. And on the days I like to do the most, that's when I layer my skin tint and my Denisomyrix Yummy Skin, because for me it's like a match made in heaven, and it lasts. My work days are pretty long, between like 12 to 13 hours, and I just have like great wear with them together. Most days just the skin tint is fine, my skin tint, blush, you know. But some days I'm feeling fancy, like today, so I'm gonna do a little bronzer. Let me get my little brush for that. There's my little bronzing. I'll use this guy. And this is the NYX Buttermelt bronzer. Ooh, see, I don't even need that much. I should have tapped it off first. A little late for that, but it really is buttermelt though. Like, it is so easy to use. And because I'm not, you see I haven't dipped back in, and it did my whole forehead. And it actually might be a little too much. Push it back into my hairline. But I'm sure once I do my hair and everything, it will pull together. See, this side looks better. I like how soft and diffused that is. So when I do my blush on this side, it'll work. And for the blush, I'm going to use the Denisomyrix Yummy Skin. What is it called? It's just called Yummy Skin. And this is in Bellini. Let me get a good one for that. I can use this guy here. You know, normally, not my vanity, the light going off. Eyeliner. I'm not gonna bake or do like any setting powder really, because I'm not gonna be out long. I'm just gonna do a winged liner. And I can't do a proper winged eyeliner to save my life, so I try, you know, I just try. And in case this goes wrong, this whole part of the video will be scrapped. Maybe I should try with my eyes closed. And I have tried every tutorial on how to do a wing liner, and it just seems like, listen, some of us can and some of us can't, and I am part of the latter group. I even went through a phase where I thought it was the type of liner that I was buying. It was just me. Did you see how I just messed up? Lord, Lord, Lord. Well, let me try to get this. But once again, I'm sitting here in the dark because my vanity light decided to turn off. It only takes about like a minute for it to come back on. I don't know what it is, if it gets too hot, whatever the case may be. But I'm almost finished. That wing, oh, it looks better in the dark. I like showing y'all the wing in the dark, but I feel like I want a red lip. I think once I can see again, I think I'm gonna do a red lip. And I have just the lipstick combo in mind. Okay, I'm back. I don't think I have much time, just my luck. So I'm going in with my NYX Line Loud, and this is in the shade Rebel Red. It's very pretty. These are like very soft. Very soft. And yeah, because they're so soft, the point just went down like super quickly. I only got to use it a couple times. But I like the color. I love a red lip. Me and a red lip go together real bad. And to fill it in, I'm gonna go in with my Tom Ford Ultra Shine lip color, and this is an Electric Cherry. I don't know how I got marked like that, but so this is one of those reds that, like, it kind of leans more pink, like a pinky red cherry, I guess. But it's super cute, and I've had this for a while. I had actually got the set. I believe it was called the Electric Cherry whatever. I don't know, but there was an eyeshadow palette and this lipstick and something else. I don't know if I want to add anything on top. I always get makeup on my piercing. You'll see me do that. Oh, I need to do my mascara. Because what am I doing? I'm trying to decide if I want to add a lash or not. I've honestly been forced to stay away from lashes for a while now because I wear glasses now and I have to wear them to work. I'm just gonna let that dry now, get rid of it. And I have to wear them to work, so I had to become a mascara girly. Just a mascara girly, which was very hard for me because I love a lash and I had to learn to appreciate my eye looks. Thin lashes. So I like to do a good 2 coats of mascara, and this is my Aldi mascara. Now I'm just gonna throw my hair up, do my baby hairs, and that is going to be my look for the day. I do love the face though. I feel like the face is smooth, it's snatched, and I'm going to go pull this together. Okay, I'm back. This is the finished look. I have to say I really like it. It's giving. That's an SMIRX. It just makes the skin so smooth. Oh, and this is definitely gonna last all day. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.